think I broke it.
Oh no, the video's not working. What did you do to it?
I don't know.
Why, you little... Sorry for the technical difficulties. Looks like we're going to be doing pictures and voiceovers today.
Ouch, that hurt.
Pennsylvania colony. The founder of Pennsylvania colony was William Penn in the year of 1681. William Penn's goal was to create a colony for freedom of religion due to his desire to protect himself and other Quakers. The main resource area in Pennsylvania was agriculture. The two lead crops were wheat and corn, but others were rye, hemp, and flax. Although Quakers opposed to slavery, in 1730 colonists had brought in more than 4,000 slaves. In 1790, 10,000 slaves had been brought in, but 6,300 had earned freedom. The Pennsylvania land is flat, fertile land with good farming climate. In the Pennsylvania colony, the government was an appointed governor, a proprietor, a 72-member provincial council, and a larger General Assembly. The Pennsylvania Gradual Abolishment Act of 1780 was one of the first attempts to abolish slavery in the 13 colonies. Pennsylvania roughly translates to Penn's Woods. Ben Franklin was one of the more popular people in history to come from Pennsylvania. What's that? Who let Nyan cat in here? Oh my god! What are you doing? No! Nyan cat is taking over! Help! Please help me!